Hello viewers, International Concerns with MK welcomes all of you. Today is 10th of May 2020, Mother's Day. So a very happy Mother's Day. But this video is based on two war related topics. Number one is Russia's involvement in Libya. So Russia is diverting their force from from Syria to Libya. Russia, France, and United States also. United States indirectly, and Russia, France, Italy, they are directly supporting the Khalifa Haftar's government, and the government of national accord, which was recognized by United Nations, is supported by Turkey, because Turkey wants one oil pipeline from Libya to Turkey to supply oil in Europe. But if they made this, then the Russian oil business will be destroyed in very soon. That's why Russia is trying to support Khalifa Haftar, a rebel, a war leader in Libya. On the other hand, a very important news coming from Sikkim. Today, 10th of May, Indian soldiers and Chinese soldiers came in personal confrontations. In northern Sikkim, we will find the Nakula Pass. It is not Nathula. Nathula situated in eastern Sikkim and Nakula situated in northern Sikkim. Some Chinese personnel came to capture one of the bunkers of Indian soldier, and approximately 150 soldiers came in this tussle, and 11 Chinese soldiers are injured during this confrontation, and only 4 Indian personnel are injured in this confrontation. And in 1967, when you may Google it, that 1967 Indo-China War, the Indo-China or Sino-India War is taken in 1962. But when Sikkim was a protectorate of India, Sikkim was not a part of India before 1970s, and after 1975 Sikkim became India's part. And in 1967 China wanted to capture some parts of Sikkim, and Indian army, as in Doklam, they stopped them, and there was a tussle, there was a war, and approximately 400 Chinese army were killed in that action. This was a forgotten part of Indian army. So during this corona crisis, China wanted to dominate the silent forces of Quad group. Quad means the 4 groups. It's a multilateral groups: US, Australia, India, and Japan. Both US and Australia are against China for COVID-19 or Wuhan virus or China virus, but India and Japan were silent, and they wanted to take advantage of this silence, and that's why in some days before, in Senkaku Island, which is a part of Japan, and China claiming, the imperialistic China claiming that this is their province, and they wanted to dock a ship near Senkaku Island. So these two countries, both Japan and China, have to understand the reality and be united with other 2 Quad groups members. And this is the right time during this corona crisis, when China wanted to enlarge its border. India and Japan should forcefully disintegrate the China, and the independence of Taiwan is a new future we will see in upcoming days. Taiwan will be recognized by some countries. Nowadays just 4 countries recognize Taiwan, but I think as a student of international relations that in upcoming days, when USA will came in full front after this crisis, after this Wuhan crisis, after this corona crisis, then Taiwan will be a full-fledged member of United Nations. So be with us. If you like this video, then subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching this video.